Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to make a sale outside of the T-sheet if someone wanted to purchase something other than golf. You can see these three main buttons up here. Number one, this deals with all golf related items right in here. Number two, this is food and beverage. Number three, this is kind of like apparel, hats, shoes, memberships, range passes, and gift cards. So one, golf related. Three, kind of miscellaneous in shoes and pro shop and that type of thing. Here is where you're going to do most of your damage on these right here. If someone wanted to buy some coffee, you'd hit one here. Boom, they've got coffee. Now you wanted to cash them out. But they say, hey, wait, I want to buy a small bucket of range balls. There you go, $6. Hit cash. They give you a $10 bill. You pay them $4. Done deal. Alright, this next tutorial we're going to go over how to sell a gift card. To sell a gift card, you come over here and then click on gift card, and you'll see here's a list of all the gift cards that are out in circulation right now. As you can see, there's quite a few of them. I'm going to do a new gift card, so I click on new gift card. Take a look at the back of the gift card. It'll have a number on there. You type that in. Then you put the value, the dollar amount. You can put the customer name here.
No, my go-kart.
Call it I'm a brewer here. And then you hit save. Boom. We've got a gift card for sale there. Hand them the gift card, and it's as easy as that.